In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your taillight. This is located in the rear of the vehicle. Let's get started. With the rear door open, we can get to these two 8mm. You can also use a Phillips head. With our hardware removed, we're going to pull out and to the back of the vehicle. You get your fingers under the flap on the inside and pull towards the back of the vehicle. Now we have two electrical connectors for our bulbs. Simply press in on the tab. It can help to press in on the connector as you press on the tab, and then pull out. You'll want to check the terminals for any corrosion. These look good. To install the new taillight, we'll plug in each of our connectors. Make sure you hear the click. If you don't hear an audible click when you seat the connectors down, make sure they're fully seated. There's two studs towards the front portion of the light housing. Those each have a grommet in the front. You're going to push in on the tail light housing. Be cautious not to break it. Now we can install our hardware. We can reinstall our hardware. If you can't reach your fingers all the way into hardware sometimes, it can help to just use the socket to spin it in. You want to be careful not to over-tighten these. Once you've installed the new taillight, test the function. Make sure you test the function of all the lights.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.